Hello, here the tip to memorize trig values for special angles. So you're gonna set up the table this way. So the first row would be angles, special angle will be 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. We will start with the sine function first. So at first, you're gonna put all the cell right here with fraction. The denominator, the bottom, all number 2. And the top would be square root, all like this, okay? And then we start to fill it up. We start with 0, that would be 0. And then 30 degree would be 1, and we count it up, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So now we're gonna simplify the fraction. So the first one would be equal 0, right here. And then the next one would be equal to 1/2. And radical 2 over 2 cannot do anything, leave it alone. Radical 3 over 2, leave it alone. But this one, radical 4 equal to 2 over 2, so that equal 1. So that's how you get the first row for sine of this special angle. Cosine, it's like reverse of sine. So you start from sine, now I simplify, I wrote in this way, right here. And then cosine, you start fill up backwards. You copy the sine row, but like backward. So you start here with 1, and then radical 3 over 2, and then radical 2 over 2, and then 1/2, and then 0. Now we go to tangent. So remember, tangent formula equal to sine over cosine, right? So therefore, I'm gonna take sine 0, I take this number, I divide. So that's what I have here, 0 divided by 1, so I have 0. And then I have 1/2 divided radical 3 over 2. You simplify, then you can have radical 3 over 2. Or you can leave it alone. 1 over radical 3 is good, okay? And then tangent of 45 degrees, just 2 the same, you divide, so you have equal 1. And then 60 degree, you will have those two fractions divide, and then you will simplify, you have just radical 3. The last one, 1 divided by 0. Oops, cannot do it. So therefore, it's undivided. Cotangent, guess what? It's just same thing cosine. You just copy tangent reverse order. So undivided, radical 3, 1, radical 3 over 3, then 0. Now we go to cosecant. So cosecant is 1 over sine. So we're going to take 1, divide by all the number on the red right here. You see that? So we're going to do that. So I have 1 divided by 0. Again, it doesn't work. So undivided. And then 1 divided 1/2. So flip it over, I have 2. So 1 divided number, basically you flip that fraction, okay? So over here, I have 2 over radical 2. Don't bother to simplify. Just leave it. Let computer deal with it, okay? And then radical 2 over radical 3 over 2, I flip over 2 over radical 3. And then this one, I just have 1. So now we go for the last one, secant. Just same idea. So we're gonna flip a cosecant, reverse the order. So I have start with 1, and then radical 3 over 2, and then radical 2, 2 over radical 2, and then 2, and then undivided. There you go. You have your trig values for special angle. Try it a couple times and you memorize this table.